mbadde tuli mu press conference wano ekisembyeyo report gye muva okufuna era nammwe musobola ogiverifyinga wano. Hamu amaze okuyiwa eggaali wano esazeeko eri yiiyo awo wabweru ekulemberwa omukulu Saadi Lukwago. Saadi is a notorious character mugimanyi mu Kisenyi era ye yakulemberamu n'okuba ekibaati ku mwalo. Ye ttiimu Bosco Muwonge gy'akozesa okuterrorizinga ekibuga ddala mu Kisenyi ne Saadi. Era ye ttiimu eyali enzitidde ku gundi yali Musobi yali enzitidde ku Paaka Yard bwe twagendayo. Ye ttiimu bwe twaweereza komiti ya physical planning egende enoonyereze nga baziba omumala gwa Jugula, ye ttiimu yali ebase kati erumbi esazeeko eri arawundi wano. Naye tuli ready bakole kyonna ekigenda mu maaso. Nze neddi mweteefuteefu ku mbeera yonna enaddako. Waliwo collusion kyenkugambye, waliwo ekkobaane. Ekkobaane mu security agencies n'abayaaye bano. Mbagambye Hamu atambuza ensimbi buli wamu. Hamu akola buli kyonna wansi w'enjuba okulaba ng'asaanyaawo Lukwago. So tekikwewuunyisa nti n'abo aba security yabalabyemu dda. Ekyo tekikwewuunyisa. Waliwo lumu lwe yajja wano nawulira nti yayingirako awo nga ayambuka ku main block. Naye buli we yayita nga bando z'essinti zigwa. So ebyo Hamu byakola gye mizannyo gye. Well, I'm concerned about the security situation, particularly about my safety, because I've received the intelligence information. He has deployed here some goons to lynch me, and they have almost sealed off this place. They are roaming around the Road Mayor's Park. One may ask how they have managed to beat the security around, but they are all over here. And they are headed by one Saadi Lukwago, and you know him is a notorious character who is always marauding around Kisenyi there, raking havoc, causing mayhem. He is one person who is being hired by all these tycoons, Bosco Muwonge, Amis Chigundu, and others. Wherever they want to wreak havoc, they hire Saadi Lwemba and his team. And he has many of them. These are the people who cordoned off that place with Mabati Natural Drainage Channel. These are the people who roam around. At one time, actually, they were being commanded by the late Sobi. And they almost killed me at Paaka Yard when I went there to rescue the vendors who had been evicted. So basically, that's what Hamu is doing. I've told you, he has got those goons who are always on standby and always hired to unleash terror. And that's what they have come to do here. But I'm prepared for whatever, for any eventuality. I'm prepared because psychologically, I prepared myself long time ago. Because when you engage such ruffians, such cartels, you get yourself prepared for whatever consequences associated with the same. So I'm ready.